Good morning students, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths Buzz. Today I am taking trigonometry and this is exercise 8.4 and this is the exercise which most of the students they dread solving it. So I am taking questions from the beginning and I hope I am able to do justice and to make you understand. Now here the first question is we have to write sine A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. Okay, this is what the question is about. So what we will do, we'll just try to write all the terms and we'll start from the term which is more close to cot A. So here we'll start from tan A. So tan A is, you can easily write as tan A is 1 upon cot A. So this is sorted. Now next thing is we have the identity between this, between sec and tan A. So we can write the identity sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Fine. I need to find the value of sec square A in terms of cot A. So I'll shift tan square A on the right side. So sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. We'll shift it to the right side. So here once you shift, this is tan A is cot A, 1 upon cot A, just put the value. So once the value is substituted, we'll just simplify. This is 1 upon cot square A and just take the LCM, get a single term. This is cot square A plus 1. There should not be any more conversion. We'll not convert because we want the value of this expression. I want to write this trigonometric ratio in terms of cot A. So this is 1 plus cot square A upon cot square A under the root. So if you take the under root of cot square A, this becomes cot A. And inside we have 1 plus cot square A. This is the expression. Fine. So this is the second thing. Now which is third one? Third is sine A. Okay, how to write sine A? So sine A is, how will we write sine A? We know one thing, that there is a relationship between cosecant A and cot A, and this is one of the identity. So you can find the value of cosecant square A from here, which is 1 plus cot square A. So cosecant A is what? This is under root 1 plus cot square A. So value of this is known. So what is going to the value of sine A? Just reciprocal. So hence we have got three expressions, this, this and this. So this is what is our question number 1. So now we'll take question number 2. So what is the question about? It says we have to write all the other trigonometric ratios in terms of sec A. So we have to write all trigonometric ratios, like we have sine A, we have cos A, we have tan A, cotangent A, and we have cosecant A. So all these trigonometric ratios, they should be written in terms of sec A. This is the question. Now you know what we will do, we will first start with the closest trigonometric ratio. So cos A is the closest one. So cos A can be written as 1 upon sec A without any problem. Now next is, there is a relationship between sec A and tan A and there is one identity. So we will make use of that identity. Fine. So now the next is, we'll shift tan square A on the right side and that will become positive. And we'll shift 1 to the left side, sec square A minus 1. So here that will give you, so tan square A, this means this is equal to sec square A minus 1. Or tan A is equal to under root sec square A minus 1. So we have written the value of, we can say tan A in place of in form of sec square A minus 1. Now we have covered this, we have covered this. Now what is next is cot A and cosecant A. Now how will we write this sine A? Okay, we'll start with sine A. So sine A can be written as, sine A upon cos A, sine A upon cos A into cos A. So this is tan A. So this expression is tan A. So in place of this I can put this. So this becomes root sec square A minus 1, and what is cos A? Cos A is upon sec A. This is done. So when you can find sin A, can't you find cosecant A? Cosecant A is the reciprocal of sin A. So what we need to do? We need to write the reciprocal. Done. Now next is, what is the next term? Cot A. Now there is a relationship between cosecant A and cot A. What is that? We'll use that. So here, or we can use this also. What is cot A? Cot A can be written as cos A upon sin A. Fine. Cos A is 1 upon sec A. Or better it is. There is a much more better way of writing. Cot A is the reciprocal of tan A. So, you know, they all are integrated. So we can write this as 1 upon tan A. And tan A you have already found in terms of this. So this can be written as 1 upon root sec square A minus 1. So this way you can see we have written all the expression. We have written all the expression in terms of sec A. Cot A we have written, cosecant A, sin A, we have written cos A, and we have written tan A. So I hope you have understood this question number 2. So just practice more of these questions, and any problem you can tell me in the comment box. And for my I'll take the other questions starting from question number 5 in my next video. Do watch my next video. Till then, stay tuned to my channel. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you and have a good day.